Hey everyone, welcome back. No, you're not seeing things. I am kind of growing a beard. More on that later. This is just gonna be a quick shave just of my neck and a quick channel update. Again, there's been an absence from my last video. And part of that is due to my back, as I mentioned in my previous video. But there's been some complications. So not only am I dealing with back issues, but I think those have mostly been taken care of. Therapy's been going really well. Some of the medication that I was on for some of the pain and relaxers and muscle relaxers and whatnot, I think those have caused some side effects. So I'm working with specialists now to try to get those cleared up. Luckily, I don't think it's anything too serious. But I'm going to see a specialist. Later this week. I've already had some CT scans. I say scans because I've had two. One with the contrast agent, one without. Those have shown what things are not. So, we were able to rule that out, luckily, a bunch of things out that way. But there's still some things that are not clear. So I get to go see a specialist and have more tests ran. So because I'm dealing with these other issues, some days it's, again, beard has been challenging to stand and shave. So I've done the neck. As you can tell, my cheeks haven't lined up the hair there because it doesn't grow nice and thick in this part of my face for some stupid reason. So I haven't even shaved my cheeks in a couple days. So until I can figure out what's going on health-wise, I'm going to be on a semi-hiatus, kind of like I have been, I guess, for the past month or two. Sporadic videos here and there depending on how I feel. I am still available via Facebook and Instagram and all that. So, not a lot really going on outside of that. Work is crazy. I have a goal live this week. My first with this company. So that'd be cool. I'm excited to get that over with. Well, not really over with, but under my belt, I guess would be a better way of phrasing that. I have one project that is extremely time sensitive that we have a resource to do the programming on the back end for the product. So now I gotta write up documentation on testing for QA on the build. So I'm doing that this week on top of the Go Lab, on top of my other projects and everything else. There we go. That was a nice shave. That was a Feather SS with the, I want to say, second use Feather Pro Guard blade. Finish off with some Thayers just because I did my head off camera earlier. I don't know if I mentioned the soap or anything else. The razor obviously is the Feather SS with the Feather Pro Guard. fantastic razor and blade mix, at least for me. The soap was MdC Rose. Love this rose scent. It's absolutely phenomenal. It is very rose, not like powdery rose. Unlike the splash that I'm using is from St. Charles Shave, Savory Rose. This is no longer being made. However, this is a very powdery rose. So it kind of plays well with MdC. I believe the St. Charles has gone out of business, but I like that splash. I like it quite a bit. A little bit of alcohol sting there. Just means it was a nice shave. So anyway, that's going to be it for me for now. As I mentioned, I'm not sure when I'll be able to do a video next. I might have a full beard, it might be a beard off, who knows what it'll be. If you stuck with me this long, through the absences, everything else, thank you all again for tuning in. Thank you for the support. Thank you for continuing to watch the channel. Whenever I'm able to make another video again, I appreciate you if you watch that one as well. But until then, I'll catch y'all next time.